Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to work on garage door. Actually, when I try to open this garage door, it doesn't open all the way. It just open about like 1 feet, and you press button again, it will go back. I did couple tries, but it didn't open all the way. Motor looked like making a lot of noise, so let's troubleshoot first. What we're gonna do, first step, I'm going to unlatch the door. So we're gonna run motor only free. So first thing we're gonna check if a motor is working. Because that's not the sensor issue. Sometimes if a sensor doesn't work, so what happens, garage door will open and it will not close. So I'm ready to just jump it here, like to turn on, see what happened. As soon as I just turn on, so I can see that's the lock and motor running all the way it's supposed to be a run. So now we ran motor without a door. We just run only motor. It's ran free and ran full cycle. Now we're gonna close. We're gonna try a couple times, see if motor getting stuck or something. And I didn't find anything wrong with the motor. Motor is running free without any problem. So next step is a door. It's not like electrical or any other kind of issue with the motor. So now we're gonna check a door, because door have a couple mechanical wheels running on the track. It could be stuck, something. You can try by hand, see what you feel. I check all the wheels and everything was all right. When I tried to open by hand, then I found door was really heavy, and then I cut this spring. Top of the door is broken. As you can see, it's supposed to have a one piece, and in middle you can see there's a space. Actually, it's broken two parts. So at this part we have to replace a spring, or I'm gonna try the same spring. If it work, okay. If not, I will replace. When you're working with this spring, you need to be very careful, because it also have a tag on it. It's a danger, because this spring, if it's not broken and you try to lose those bolts, it will spin really fast back, and if you have a something, it will hit you back. So be careful. Stay away from the spring a little bit further. Keep your face away. So once you lose those two bolts, the spring will spin free on shaft, and now be able to work on the spring. So I have to remove this one. You can remove the shaft and you can slide out, or I decided to cut. When you're cutting with a grinder or something, be careful from the fire hazard. So once I cut it, I removed. Now I'm ready to put the spring back. So as I said, we're gonna try once with the old spring. If it work, if it's okay. If not, then I have to put new one. So I'm thinking it will work. I have a still enough length. So once I put it on, then the next step is we need to create some tension. So I'm using 1/2 inch rods and screwdriver to spin this one. So you need to create tension. Once you're done, we have to put back those two bolts and try. If your door work fine, it's okay. If not, you need to create more tension. You can come back anytime, and you can create more tension from this spring. So I did couple try, and after that my garage door worked perfect. So today we have fixed the broken spring on my garage door. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.